Hello guys, this is Forex teacher again. So I see a lot of you guys are talking about volatility 75 index. Some are saying is it still going to go up, or does it have any plans of rising, or it will continue to go down? So to answer this question, there's no way you can ever know that it's going to turn or it's going to go up, but you need to have a trading system that gives you the ability to think logically, not emotionally. Because if you are trying to catch the trend, like if you are trying to catch whether it's going to turn or it's going to continue to go down, it means you are still trying to find the bottoms and the tops of the trend, which is something that no one can ever do. So you need to have a trading system like this one where you can actually see. uh, for me, this is still a selling opportunity, guys. You can see my system is saying once it draws red box, it's a sell. So even on h6 here, it's still a sell. If I go to m6, which is 6 minutes, all right, you can see it was selling from up here. It went all the way. This is profit, guys. You go to m12, it's the same thing that was happening. You go to h1, this is the same thing that happened. I actually took this trade right here, right, which sell and close right here, all right. So there's no way, guys, like you can ever know if it's going to go up or it's going to continue to go down. You can only see it after it has happened. That's why a lot of guys are complaining and they are losing money, because they are trying to draw trend lines to find if it's going to turn exactly that trend line, right? This was the first time it got hit. This is the second time. The third time everyone else was buying here if you're using trend lines, all right. But look what happened. It just came. Obviously, when you put your buy trade right here, you are going to put your stop loss just below the the support or the resistance, all right. So if you are trading using the trend lines, you definitely going to put your stop loss right below here, all right. Let me just show you using this tool. Let's see if we can use an object. So if you saw this first support here, it went on to hit the next support again. It hit the support almost 3 times, and people who are trading using the trend the support and resistance, they'll end up buying. But if you were trading using my trading system, I cannot be buying right on the support here, all right. I actually got a signal right here. This was a sell all the way down. It means by the time these guys are trying to buy the bottoms, you are about to take out your profits, all right. So you definitely need to have a trading system like this one, guys. Even if you go to your h1 right here, you are going to see the same thing has been happening. This is a lot of profit, guys. This is a signal that came some few days ago. Unfortunately, for these longer time frames, we might have to wait for uh, a lot of days. But this signal came right here. You have to wait 1 2 3 4 5. Today is the 60th day. That's when it started moving like heavily going down, all right. And this is about 5% in profit. It might keep on going down to hit this bottom here, or it might even keep on going down to hit the previous, which is this one here, or it can keep on going down. No one knows when it's going to turn, all right. So stop trying to pick the bottoms and the tops of the market. Just trade what you see, not what you think. In that way, you'll be able to make consistent profits, and that's the way a trader should be trading. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys.